Welcome to today's training video. I'm Lieutenant Ethan Llewellyn, and today we're talking about how to properly inspect portable gas detection equipment that is required on liquefied gas carriers. Today's video is a continuation of our training videos covering the instrumentation exam section from the Coast Guard's Foreign Gas Carrier Examiner Tactics, Techniques, and Procedures, or as we call it here, the TTP. Now, if you'd like to follow along in the TTP, you can download or print a copy for free from our website and follow along with us today in Chapter 5. Now, today's video is a relatively short video, but it discusses a very important subject. It's the testing of portable gas detection equipment. Now, portable gas detection equipment is a critical piece of safety equipment found on liquefied gas carriers. And liquefied gas carriers must have one portable oxygen meter and at least two portable gas detectors as required by Chapter 13 of the LGC code. Now, the ship's crew needs to have the ability to test the atmosphere and enclosed spaces for O2, toxic gases, hydrocarbons, and flammable vapors. They normally do this before entry into enclosed spaces, during gas freeing, inerting, and gassing up operations as quality control measure before changing cargoes, and to establish a gas-free condition before dry dock or before the gas carrier goes to the shipyard. Now, to carry out the examination, the Coast Guard examiner should observe the crew properly calibrate and test the portable gas detection equipment and review calibration logs for each piece of portable gas detection equipment to ensure that they're following the vessel's SMS procedures. Typically, the crew only performs a field function test known as a bump check, with annual calibration commonly performed by a third-party service technician. Now, this photo shows several different types of portable gas detectors and oxygen analyzers. There are two types of combustible gas detectors that detect hydrocarbons, infrared and catalytic. Always remember, when determining if the proper equipment is on board, that catalytic gas detectors rely on oxygen and therefore cannot be used in atmospheres that are inert to check for gas concentrations. Now, trying to determine if the vessel should be checking for toxicity or flammability of cargoes, the examiner will need to look at the authorized cargoes listed on the Certificate of Fitness and compare those cargoes listed with Chapter 19 of the LGC code. If a T appears in column F of the product table in Chapter 19, the gas carrier should have toxic vapor detection for each cargo. Typically, vessels have chemical-specific gas tubes or electronic sensors capable of detecting multiple toxic substances. The examiner should verify the tubes or sensors are not expired and stored properly as required by the manufacturer. Now, that concludes today's lesson, where we talked about portable gas detection equipment required on liquefied gas carriers. Remember to visit our website to see a list of all of our available training videos. Thanks again for tuning in to this episode of LGC TV, where we're bringing the classroom straight to you.